All right, hey guys, another exciting kit we've got is the Elantra front brake upgrade. Okay, keep in mind this is not the Elantra, it is the Elantra. The kit that we supply, you'll see here, it'll come with the front reconditioned front hub assemblies, it'll come with brand new front wheel bearings, it comes with the long wheel studs, reconditioned front brake calipers, a set of WinMax W5 brake pads, brand new front disc rotors, all right? Now, anyone that's not sure what the advantages are for the brake upgrade, here's two main advantages, okay? First one, disc rotor, slides on and off. Nice, easy, quick change without having to pull and separate your hub, okay? The other advantage you're gonna have is the brake pads last longer. The braking capacity is stronger. So when you're looking for that, a bit extra performance in braking, this is what you need. The only downside to this, and I'll be honest with you, this is a heavier setup than the X3s. So if you're looking to lose weight, this is probably not your best option, okay? Rotating mass, yes, is slightly heavier. It is a disadvantage if you look at it like that, but the advantages outweigh the disadvantages by far. So if you're looking to do the upgrade, you'll have to give me a call or email me on these. These aren't online yet, okay? I'll put the package together for you. We can post them out, no problems whatsoever.